In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zoho Books for beginners. Zoho Books is a comprehensive and user-friendly online accounting software designed to manage your finances, automate business workflows, and help you work collectively across departments. Whether you are a small business owner or someone looking to upgrade your accounting skills, this guide will provide a walkthrough of the essential features. First, let's begin by heading over to the Zoho Books dashboard. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll immediately notice its intuitive layout, which provides a snapshot of your business's financial health. The dashboard is where you can view your total receivables, payables, cash flow, and bank account balances at a glance. This bird's-eye view allows you to make informed financial decisions quickly. The next step is to become familiar with the Items tab. By clicking on Items, you can manage the products and services your business offers. This section allows you to add new items, set the sale price, and specify the unit of measure, helping you streamline your inventory management. Plus, having all your items organized makes the invoicing process seamless. Now, let's explore the banking section. This is essential for linking your bank accounts to Zoho Books, which allows for automated bank feeds and reconciliation of your bank statements. You'll be able to effortlessly match or categorize transactions, ensuring your records are accurate and up to date. Following that, let's delve into the sales module. In this area, you can manage invoices and estimates on the management and customer payments. Zoho Books simplifies billing by allowing you to create and customize professional invoices and send them directly to your clients via email. Here, you can also track outstanding receivables, ensuring you never miss a payment. Once you're comfortable with sales, it's time to look at the Purchases section. In the Purchases tab, you can manage vendors, bills, and expenses, making it easy to keep track of your incoming cash flow. Being able to monitor your payable accounts in one convenient location greatly aids in maintaining healthy vendor relationships. Next comes time tracking. If you bill clients hourly or if tracking time is crucial for your projects, this feature allows you to log the hours worked and convert them into invoices effortlessly. This integration saves both time and potential discrepancies in billing. Now, turn your attention to the Accountant section, a crucial feature for managing core financial reports, journal entries, and opening balances. This feature is pivotal for maintaining your general ledger and ensuring your books are compliant and in order. Another vital feature is the Reports section. Here you can generate comprehensive reports to analyze your business performance. From profit and loss statements to tax summary reports, accessing detailed insights is key to making informed business decisions. Next, take advantage of the Documents module. This is where you manage all your digital paperwork. You can upload and store documents like contracts and receipts, linking them directly to transactions, which keeps your records organized and accessible. Finally, navigate to the settings where you can customize how your Zoho Books operates. This includes configuring email settings, tax rules, and invoice preferences. Within this section, clicking on PDF templates enables you to personalize the look of your invoices and estimates to match your brand's identity. And there you have it. Navigating Zoho Books becomes easy with this structured approach. Now you're ready to dive into using Zoho Books efficiently, allowing your business operations to run smoothly while staying financially organized.